Okay, what is the source of variation part 1? Okay, as you move your way through each of these assignments, the first one asks you to click on this image right here. It will then give you a link, and then you follow that link and play the game Birdsong Hero. And when you're ready, you'll just tell me your scores. Your second assignment is to watch this very short video about mutations and then give me 3 sentences taken from the video. Okay, then in the next slide, you're going to take the DNA from right up here and you're going to drag it down over here onto this segment right here. And you can use your arrow keys to move it across. You'll see that I have ATG and then I wrote the TAC, that's the complementary side. You just have to click here in the box and then add the letters that you want. So I have TAC and the next one would be A. Now, according to the instructions right here, it says that you are to make a mistake randomly as you're putting in the letters. You could do a substitution where you change the letters. You can insert an extra letter, or you can delete a letter by putting a line through it. Once you have that, then you go ahead and add that letter anywhere in this sequence. And then when you're done, you will then put in the mRNA, which would be AUG. And continue all the way across, including that substitution or deletion or insertion. Once you've done that, it says to select that sequence all the way across. You're going to copy it and paste it into the next page. Here we're going to make a protein. So as you can see, I've pasted my mRNA down here. So you'll paste the sequence here. And then you're going to attach the amino acid sequence that match the mRNA using our codon chart right here. So we have A, U, and G, which is M. I come over here to M, to this picture. I hit copy, and then I come up over here and I hit edit paste, and then I get an extra one, and I'm going to drag it down here. So then I'm going to end up with a sequence of amino acids, and it's going to be similar but not exact as the one here above, which is the one with no mutations. Okay, that's the end of part 1.